Making quick vinyl labels for your entire home is now even easier using the Cricut Joy app. Start by opening the Cricut Joy app on your smart device. On the home screen, you'll see a bunch of quick start projects, including labels, iron-on transfers, vinyl stickers and decals, and even paper crafts. Let's go back up to Quick Labels and click Start. You'll get a list of materials you need to start making. Then you'll be prompted to pick a label design. From pen-drawn designs, letter-only cuts, to more decorative label designs, pick whichever one you like. I'm going to choose the simple rectangle label. Here, you can enter in the size label that you need for your project. This ensures that no matter what you type into the label, each one comes out the same size. Using this easy text enter feature, you can make as many labels you need all at one shot. Once you've added all your labels, click Next to see a preview of your labels. Using the Edit feature, you can change both the font and the color. Once you're done, you'll get an updated preview of your labels and click Next. On the final screen, you need to select your material. I'm going to start by using Smart Vinyl to do this as a matless cut. So I select Smart Vinyl, and you'll see that it prompts me to cut without a mat. Once I click Make It, the app will connect to my Joy machine via Bluetooth and tell me exactly what to do. I'm going to start by loading my smart material into the Cricut Joy. First, it'll load and measure the material. I'll then be prompted to start my project by clicking the Go button in the bottom right-hand corner. You can monitor the cutting progress right in the Cricut Joy app and pause as needed. Once done, you can unload your project. Making labels with a mat follows almost the exact same process. Here, I want to use some premium vinyl that I have on hand. Instead of Smart Load, it's going to prompt me to use a mat, and it tells me exactly how much I need. 2 pieces, cut down to fit onto my standard 12-inch mat. Once connected to my Cricut Joy, it tells me exactly what I need to do to take my labels from start to finish. One of the really cool things about the Cricut Joy app is after your project is cut, it provides you with very detailed step-by-step instructions for finishing your project. These includes directions for weeding, using transfer paper, and applying your vinyls to your projects. The Cricut Joy app includes everything you need to make gorgeous labels for anything in your home from start to finish in a matter of minutes.